Hello, water sign. So, ito yung reading natin for water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Take only what resonates. Ako po si Madam P. If you want to book a personal reading, doon na lang po sa aming Facebook page, Madam P. Pag di mo ma-search, ilagay mo hashtag Madam P TV para mas madali mong ma-search yung aming page, Facebook page. Let's start. Kung hindi ka pa nakasubscribe, hit the subscribe button, notification bell. Ma-appreciate ko lahat ng likes, comments, and share. Sana makuha mo rin ako as your living guide. Okay? So, I am Madam P. Let's start your reading. Pa-comment na lang dyan sa baba, kahit po heart lang, smileys, malaking bagay yun sa akin, ha? Water sign, water sign. What do we have here for water sign? Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. Okay, let's start. Main energy. Knight of Cups. Oh, this is you, water sign. Knight of Cups and Two of Cups. Yeah. Nakita tayo dito ng maybe relationship or partnership. Yung iba ganito yung energy, ha. It could be a new connection or relationship, partnership. Kung yung iba, kung matagal na, nakita pa rin naman tayo dito ng love, pero meron kayong mga bagong gagawin or sisimulan. Kung hindi man literal na sa relationship or partnership ninyo mismo, it could be maybe regarding money, Ace of Pentacles. Pero nandun yung pagtutulungan nyo, partnership, relationship nitong person na to. Na parang etong whatever this thing na sisimulan nyo or gagawin nyo, pwedeng may plano na or nakaset na or pwedeng um, gagawa na lang ng action, parang ganon. I feel like this is something new, no, na magiging mas maganda pa at magiging mas makakatulong para magkaroon ng level up yung connection ninyong dalawa. So, who is this person that you're dealing with? Who is this person that you're dealing with? Five of Cups, okay. You do have here the Devil and the Queen of Swords, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, Capricorn energy. Bottom of the deck, meron tayo ditong the High Priestess. Okay, person na kakonect mo. Etong person na to, I don't get it. Yung energy niya is different eh. 'Di ba supposed to be you're happy dahil meron ka mga sisimulan. This could be another person. Kung may kakonect ka pang isa ngayon, there's this another one coming from the past with the High Priestess. Parang soulmate, very spiritual person or what, or with the Four of Cups, nakikita natin na lulungkot siya ngayon. Queen of Swords, maybe may pagka-cut off dito sa connection ninyo. Maybe this person cut you off or vice versa. And the Devil, nakikita natin na obsessed ngayon itong person na to, thinking about you. And I feel like itong person na to wants to talk to you. Gusto kanya makausap. And this could be a past person. Yeah, Ace of Cups, the Three of Swords. It could be because you're already in a relationship. Itong Six of Cups or past person energy na to. I feel like meron siyang mga karmic situation na pinagdadaanan ngayon with the Hierophant Taurus energy. And feeling niya kasi, ikaw yung kumukompleto sa kanya. Like, you match this person's energy. Kumbaga, if you're the pancake, I'm the syrup. You do have your syrup. And, yun yung nagpapasarap. I mean, parang match kayo, bagay kayo, compatible kayo. So, this person feels like that. Nalulungkot siya, naiinis siya kasi pwedeng hindi niya yung nakita noon. Masyado siyang naghangad ng much more. Which is, hindi naman niya nakita. So, eto nga yung person na to, nagkakaroon siya ng pagkikrave regarding sa connection ninyo. This person is really obsessed. Nakukuha natin yung gabi-gabi. There are times na para siyang isip ng isip. Akala mo nag-iisip siya ng problema sa buhay, but it's you that this person is thinking of. Iniisip ka niya. Emotions. Tell me about the emotions. Page of Wands. The Eight of Pentacles. The Emperor and the Judgment. Ayun, dalawang major arcana. Actually, tatlo na yan with the Devil. King of Swords at the bottom of the deck. Emotions mo. Focus mo kasi career. Page of Wands, maybe, kung hindi career, children. If you do have a child or children in your life, so ayun yung focus mo. Or, it could be, you are in a relationship, yung iba sa inyo nasa relasyon ka na, and then, of course, meron kang mga tinatry i-work out dito sa relationship na to. Yung iba nga, merong mga sinisimulan with their partner. So, ang ganda ng energy, you're just having fun, you're enjoying your life. Nilalabas mo yung childlike spirit mo, maybe ikaw or with your partner. So, wala naman tayo nakikitang something sa'yo dito. The Emperor and the Judgment, this is your person. Nagkakaroon siya ngayon ng awakening. Especially, may spiritual connection kayo. The Emperor is someone who is missing a child. So, I don't know kung may child ba na involved sa inyo. Maybe this person miss your child. Or kung hindi man, maybe nung connection nyo in the past, masyado kang naging childlike. May mga pinakita kang ugali na parang ang cute and ang jolly, and at the same time, parang natutuwa siya sa'yo. And namimiss niya yung mga actions mo na ganun in the past. Maybe, yung pagpapatawa mo sa kanya, etc. And like being a child. So, namimiss niya yung mga dating ginagawa mo sa kanya. And ngayon parang napapaano siya parang why am I so stupid? Parang ganun yung energy niya. Ba't di ko yun napansin or hindi ko yun nakita noon? And now I'm this and that. Kasi in the past, pwedeng mas nag-focus siya sa kung ano yung magbibigay sa kanya ng growth or maybe career. I don't know, it feels like feeling niya nagkaroon siya ng mga pagkakamaling desisyon na pinagsisisihan niya ngayon. So what will happen in the future? The Justice card, that is Libra energy. And yan, major arcana. 6 of Wands is here. 6 of Wands. May mga exciting events dito in the near future for you. Especially with regards sa home or improvements with regards to your career. Nakakita tayo doon. Everyone will be like, wow. Parang ganon. Marami ang ma-excite sa mga susunod na gagawin mo. And they are so happy, excited, they want more. Yung person na kakonect mo, Queen of Pentacles and the Death card. Scorpio energy, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn energy. I feel like may ending na possible may experience itong person na to, maybe regarding work, career, or like someone na mas mataas sa kanya, boss, authority figure. So, medyo may mga hindi makikitang maganda sa kanya na magiging dahilan para like i-kick out or alisin or paalisin. Like, this could be a boss energy. And, yeah. Well, kung medyo good news yun sa'yo, sa kanya medyo hindi. And I don't know if you're connecting with this person kasi yung feeling is iba yung attention mo, nasa iba yung attention. Wala sa kanya. So anyway, thank you for watching. I love you all. Please do like and subscribe. Maraming salamat sa mga naka-follow na guys dyan. Pa-comment na lang dyan sa baba. Kahit putuldok lang, malaking bagay yun sa akin. Maraming salamat. I-end ko na po yung video dito. I love you all and bye-bye.